Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Camp Chef 10.5 QT aluminum pot set, perfect for all your cooking needs. This durable aluminum set includes 2 pieces, designed to handle everything from frying wings to boiling seafood. With a generous 10.5 quart capacity, it's ideal for preparing large meals or boiling vegetables with ease. The aluminum construction ensures even heat distribution, helping your food cook perfectly every time. Whether you're camping or cooking at home, this pot set offers versatility and reliability. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle and clean after use. Upgrade your cookware with this practical and efficient pot set for your kitchen or outdoor adventures. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.